Hello, 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 friends. I had to come out in this marvelous weather and bring you a little guided treat, I suppose. First of all, the snow right now, oh my gosh. May I say it's just stunningly beautiful. One of those thick, fluffy snows. It's just like coming down pretty intensely, to be honest. We're actually just coming into a blizzard warning. So, channeling the energies of this moment. Allow yourself to just settle in. Maybe keeping those eyes open, observing the flakes as they fall. Softening those eyes, allowing just a light gaze. Allow the sight to soothe you. Or maybe even let your eyes gently close, taking whatever visual at the moment you close your eyes with you. Just get lost in it. Get lost in the snowflakes as they fall on the screen. Get lost in the idea of taking yourself here with me. It's a bit chilly. Yeah. Breathing and feeling in the body. Feeling the temperature of your body. Maybe there's spaces and places that feel cold. Maybe there's spaces and places that feel hot. Maybe you're feeling just perfect. Simply just observe and witness. Allowing yourself to take the time. Make the space to feel into you. Practice of inner awareness. Noticing the sensations of the body. Noticing the spaces where you don't feel anything. Maybe just like they're frozen in the ice. Imagining that you're just feeding that body, that physical vessel with every breath. Breathing into whatever it is you're feeling and sensing in this now moment. Your breath is your medicine. Let your awareness scan that internal world. Expanding that awareness, expanding those sensations. Becoming aware of becoming aware. Allowing yourself to adjust as you need